Okay, next example, take like with minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 15. Right. So here this problem with minus. In the before problem we are taking plus. So here minus. See 8x minus 3 is equal to 15, same as it is. So first variable we have to take left side of the equality symbol. So 8x, then keep equality symbol. Then what number is there right side? First you write that one 15, and again this minus transpose to the right side. So here minus 3, when we are taking right side, it will become plus 3. 8x is equal to 15 plus 3. We know that 18. Then again 8x means 8 into x. So into means x is equal to 18 by into will become divided. So 8. So then 18 by 8, these two are, we have factors. So means it will get cancellation with 2 table. 2 4s are 2 9s are. So x is equal to 9 by 4. So again here 9, it is a odd number, this is even number. You cannot get cancellation. So now again here also we can do cross check. Means this x value substitute in the given problem. So what is 8x minus 3 is equal to 15. So both sides we will get same answer. Like 8 into x value 9 by 4 minus 3 is equal to 15. Then 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8. So that means 2 into 9 minus 3 is equal to 15. And 2 9s are 18. Minus 3 is equal to 15. 18 minus 3, 15 is equal to 15. So both sides they are getting same answer. So next I will see one more example. Right. So with minus completed. So sometimes they will give line. So carefully, according to these example problems, you have to follow the exercise problems. Right. One more example. X by 3 plus 2 is equal to 8 by 3. See here, observe carefully. Here they given fractions also. So here two types we can do. But first listen, the first method, general process means how we are doing like before problems also. Let's see, x by 3 plus 2 is equal to 8 by 3. So first variable value we have to write left side. Then that is equal to 8 by 3. Then plus 2 transpose to the right side. It will become minus 2. So take here fraction we are getting. So that's why take in the denominator 1. Already why we have to take 1? We studied in the previous class. So in the lower classes we studied already. So x by 3. Right. Now here we should find out when we are getting two fractions, we have to find out the LCM of denominators. So 3 and 1 LCM 3. Now with 3, how many times this LCM will get? 1 time. 3 ones are. So that 1 into 8 8 minus with 1. How many times we will get this one? 1 3 3 times. Again the 3 into this numerator we should multiply. 3 2s are 6. Then x by 3 is equal to 8 minus 6, 2 by 3. Then again x by 3 dividing. If you transpose to the right side, it will become into. So x is equal to 2 by 3 into 3. So when we are getting one is numerator, one is denominator, we can get cancellation. So 3 cancel, then x is equal to 2. The next we'll see. Once again, cross check. So x by 3 plus 2 is equal to 8 by 3. At x value, how much? 2. 2 by 3 plus 2. Only 2 means we can take in the denominator 1. So 8 by 3. Again the LCM. 3 LCM. As we know, the before 1, 3 ones are. One time we are getting. Again 1 2s are 2. With 1 3s are. Again with 3 we should multiply. 3 2s are 6. That is equal to 8 by 3. 2 plus 6 8. 8 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. So this is, and we can solve by using second method also. So if you when we are finding solving the problem, then if this method is easy for you, you follow this one, or this is second one easy for you, then you can follow this one also. Just listen. X by 3 plus 2 is equal to 8 by 3. Now fractions first. Fractions, in the fractions, what is the denominator? 3. So what is given in the denominator, with that number, every term multiply with that number on both sides. Means here what is the denominator? 3. With 3 multiply every number on both sides. So multiply with 3 on both sides every term. So this no need to write if you want. Write x by 3 into 3, 2 into 3, 8 by 3 into 3. So now here 3 cancel. Here also 3 cancel. Now x plus 2 3s are 6 is equal to remaining 8. Then generally already I told you, we got simple equation. So this 6 transpose, x is equal to 8 minus 6. Then x is equal to 8 minus 6 2. So same answer we are getting. So if you are finding easy, if this method is easy for you, I think this method you will get some confusion because here LCMs are there. So if easy for you, this method or first method you follow this one, and second method you follow this one. So which one do you want? You can find out in that way, right? So next we will. So this linear equations, then this if they will give like these problems, then we can find out very easy. But sometimes they will give word problems. The word problems are very important. So if you find out, if you solve easy the word problems, then I think you are thinking. I think you will get your thinking power is a little bit increase also. So very important that word problems. So here